All right, so you signed up for the Body Mastery 100. What is it? Well, it's 100 days of our base alignment training broken up into 4 different months. Each month you're gonna do about 25 days focusing on one singular sequence. Each of the months is different sequence, different focus. Now, within each month, every single day, we're gonna have a spotlight pose that is a position within that specific sequence. We're gonna dial it in so that you can ratchet it up your level of knowledge and experience within that very pose. And then when you apply it to the whole sequence, you're gonna get better and better every single day, because throughout the month, we're gonna hit every single pose within that sequence. And then we're gonna repeat this scenario the next month with a completely different sequence, focusing on a different pose every single day. Now we train Monday through Saturday, we take Sundays off, but you're gonna train 6 days a week to give you incredible balance and alignment and confidence of movement and suppleness and all the positive benefits that you feel in micro amounts after you do one sequence. But as you do daily for 100 days, it's gonna be incredible how much benefit you're gonna feel from it. Because if you've done our base alignment classes, our beginner sequence, or any of our warrior sequence, you leave feeling like, oh my God, I should do this every single day. And that's what got us thinking about this, was like, how come every single day we finish this and we're like, God, it just feels so great. Why don't I do this every day? So we started asking the members and we said, what about 100 days? And they all said, hell yeah, let's do that. So that is why we're doing 100 days of it, but we thought give you Sundays off. And this way we're gonna have a great focus on each sequence each month. Now, on top of that, we're gonna want you to utilize the comment section that is below every single day's training. Write in there questions you might have or thoughts that might have come up during the practice. On top of that as well, we're going to have a feature pose of the month. Now this pose isn't just random. This pose has the intent on showing progress over the course of the month that might be measurable sometimes in terms of range of motion or in terms of how long or how well you can hold that position. So each month is going to have a very nice different challenge, but we got more for you. We got a PDF as a backup you can use as a study aid so that you can improve your performance within each one. And then we also have meditation gurus that are going to be giving you guidance on how to relax and focus so that you gain benefit mentally, physically, and spiritually over these 100 days, because doing it one day is great, doing 100 days, amazing.